In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from emails on Outlook. If your inbox is filling up with newsletters or promotional messages you no longer want. Outlook makes it simple to opt out. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Microsoft Outlook website to open your mailbox. This ensures you're on the legitimate site and keeps your account secure. If you're asked to sign in, just log in the way you normally do so you can access your mail. Once Outlook opens, go to your inbox. You'll usually find it listed on the left side of the screen among your folders. This is where all new messages land, including those recurring emails you want to stop receiving. Next, click on the email from the sender you want to unsubscribe from. Typically, these are newsletters, sale alerts, or updates you opted into at some point. Opening the message lets Outlook check whether it can offer a quick unsubscribe option. A quick tip here: make sure the email looks legitimate and is from a sender you recognize. Unsubscribing is meant for genuine mailing lists, not for suspicious messages. With the email open, look near the top of the message pane for an unsubscribe option. Outlook displays this when it detects a recognized mailing list. It usually appears near the sender's information and is easy to spot. Clicking Unsubscribe tells Outlook to request removal of your address from that sender's list. This is the cleanest way to stop future messages without having to dig through tiny footer links or complicated preferences pages. After you click Unsubscribe, you'll typically see a confirmation prompt. Click OK to confirm. This ensures you truly want to stop receiving emails from that sender. Once confirmed, Outlook sends the request on your behalf. Most reputable senders honor these requests promptly, though it can take a few days for changes to fully apply, especially if the sender has messages scheduled in advance. That's the entire process. Open Outlook through a quick Google search, go to your inbox, open the email you no longer want, click Unsubscribe at the top, and confirm with OK. If you repeat this for a few senders, you'll notice your inbox getting lighter and more manageable. It's a small habit that pays off quickly, helping you focus on messages that truly matter. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, follow along for more simple productivity tips and enjoy a cleaner Outlook inbox.